Guys, look at my Phantom wallet. All this money came from deving meme coins. And just to be clear, bro, I am the only guy on YouTube making videos on how to create meme coins. I am not here to sell you a course or to use you as exit liquidity on a shitty coin. I am just here to show you how to create meme coins, make them go viral, and make money from it. In this video, I will be showing you my entire strategy into creating a viral coin. And yes, I will be doing a live launch all in front of your face to show you how it's done. Now, here's exactly why I keep glazing deving meme coins. You guys need to realize that by creating coins, you have nothing to lose. All you're doing as a meme coin creator is launching coins and then selling your supply to make profits, and then you move on to your next coin and you repeat that over and over again on every single launch, okay? But if you trade meme coins, well, you could buy in and lose money right after. You have no clue, bro. You have no control. Okay, me personally, I want to have control over all my coins, and that's why I became a dev. I am the one launching and controlling everything and making thousands. Now look, like I said, in this video, I will be showing you how to create coins that goes viral. Okay, I am legit, and yes, I will be doing a live launch in front of your face to show you how it's done. And by the way, guys, everything is for educational purposes only. Make sure to do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone anything. Cap. Now, here's exactly how to create coins and which tools to use. I use a launchpad called launchmemes.io. It's basically the best. Basically, by launching your coins here, your coins are going to go to Raydium. They are going to migrate immediately, reaching hundreds of different people to buy your coins, right? So y'all need to stop launching your coins on Pump.Fun and start launching them on Raydium instead, bro. The truth is that most coins on Raydium absolutely rips. As you guys can see, there is a bunch of volume, right? Like on each Radium coin. But Pump.Fun though, no one buys them, no one sees them. You are wasting your time because it's over competitive. And like I said, to launch your coins here, you need to be using the only launchpad called launchmemes.io. Now here's exactly how to create a viral coin here, okay? Now look, if you want to, you can create your own coin if you have any narrative in mind. That is up to you. Or, bro, if you are lazy like me, you can actually copy coins that are already trending on Pump.Fun, okay? All these coins right here are all proven and viral because they are going viral on Pump.Fun. As you guys can see, they have high market caps and good communities. They have good links, okay? And yeah, they are getting a bunch of volume on Pump.Fun. And basically, bro, since they are trending, we are going to be copying them, right? One of them, and relaunching them to Raydium to get buyers on that copy and then obviously make money from that coin. Let me show you how right now. Now let's dev a coin and see how much we can make live. First of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? And copy a coin now. Go for anything. Like I said, they're all good. Copy one and try it out. If it only makes like $100, then copy another one, alright? So I'm gonna go for Rockstar coin, click on copy the Radium, ignore the block right here, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin should be copied shortly. Just give it a couple seconds, come on. It should be live soon, just give it a couple seconds like I said. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here, just follow along, bro. This makes your coin go to Raydium. Okay, now for the supply, click on 90%. Click on that every single time. For the dev buy for your coin, this is how much you're buying in. Put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1 SOL. Now look, you are not going to lose this. You will get this back at the end. Okay, it's just temporarily being bought in your coin, and then when you are ready to cash out, it will come back to you. So it is not lost. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin should be created and live right now. Boom, click on refresh once, and as you guys can see, it's live. People can buy your coin. It's as simple as that, okay? You have successfully launched a coin. Now, let's go see the chart. I use Photon. You can go anywhere you want, bro, like Axum or Nova. And as you guys can see, boom, it's already live and it's already pumping $150 worth of buys right here. People are aping in. Now look, if you want to see how much you're up, come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and you can see here we're up $300 already. That is amazing, guys. People love our coin. That is what I like, guys. This is insane. Now guys, just let your coin pump and let it ride. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, okay, and as you guys can see our coin is doing decently well, okay. The market cap is not too high, 10k is not bad, right? I've done way better than this, but we farmed a lot of transactions, a bunch of volume, right, which means we are making a lot from the creator fees. Now it's dumping a bit, but yeah, let's go cash out, come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and we're up 3.2 thousand. That's insane. But I did forget that So is at $95. So the earnings right now are way higher than before. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of the meme coin. Bang! We just cashed out and look at my Phantom wallet. Boom! 3.3k in our Phantom wallet got deposited, and that's exactly how I make money from launching coins every single day. Launchmemes.io is the only legit website, bro. So yeah, it will be linked down below. Like and subscribe, and just stay consistent. That's all I have to say.